Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how to bypass the Google account on Motorola Moto G4, G4 Plus and G4 Play. So let's do it. So first thing that you must do is to select your home language. I select English and hit next, and now you must connect to your Wi-Fi network because you can't skip this option. So let's connect. I will connect to my network and I will enter my password and hit connect. Wait a few seconds. Hit accept and continue and wait. And now you must verify your account because this device was reset to continue signing in with the Google account that was previously signed on this device. Now you can hit the next button, and to bypass this just go back, and here where you must select the Wi-Fi network, go to add another network, and here you can type anything that you want and just push it long and hit share. And now press long on Gmail and now hit notifications, hit apps settings, hit these 3 points and hit manage accounts. Hit continue, and now you have access to the settings of your phone. Now go to Google and hit search, and now hit now cards and enable show cards, and now hit no thanks, and in this search bar just type Chrome. Here is Chrome. And now hit accept and continue and no thanks, and you have access to the internet. On this search bar just type test DPC. Okay, and hit enter. And here go to this link. I hope you see it. Okay. And scroll down and hit download apps. Now wait a few seconds. Your download is starting. Hit update permission, hit allow, and now hit OK, and now hit open. And here is my application that I downloaded. Just hit on this, install Blocked, no problem, hit settings, scroll down and enable unknown sources and hit OK. Now go back and hit again the application and hit install, hit accept, and now hit open. Now select setups device owner and hit setup, hit encrypt, and now you must connect your phone to your charger. Okay, so this is my charger, and you must plug in and connect your phone. And hit encrypt phone and hit again encrypt phone. Now you must wait until your phone will restart. Now hit the yellow arrow and hit next. Okay, you have already connected to your Wi-Fi network. Hit setup and hit OK. Hit again OK and hit got it and set up phone. Okay, now you must power off your phone and restart your phone. It's no problem, just hit the power button and select power off and power on again. Okay, now sweep and here select skip and hit next and hit finish, hit got it, and now as you can see you have access to your phone. You can disconnect your phone and go to apps and go to settings, scroll down and select backup and reset and hit factory data reset, reset phone and hit erase everything and wait until your phone will restart. And now all that you must do is the initial setup. Just select your home language, hit next. No need to connect to your Wi-Fi network, just hit skip and hit accept and continue, next, next, skip this option, hit next, and the setup is complete. And now as you can see you have access to your phone and looks that everything is okay. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and have a nice day.